back again on our 105 The Hive radio show to discuss math. Last night, I came across this picture. Who can tell me something that they notice about this picture? Tell me about the picture. Dana, what do you notice?
I know it says have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on this one.
Oh,
3.
hold on. 1 second again. Let's relook at that one again that you counted.
There's 10 on this one. Then it's 4. 3. Then it's 5, and then it's 1.
Okay. Raise your hand if you agree
10
with...
on that one.
Which one has 10?
The big one.
Derek, can you come and show me?
1, 2.
What?
1, 2. This one has 10 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh.
8, 9. And this one has 4.
Hold on a minute. Derek, you and Jordan both got it. How many hamburgers are actually on that big one?
9.
Okay. Now Jordan and Derek, how did you count the hamburgers? What did you do?
This way.
So what's this way? Tell me about it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So what did you do? As you counted them, what did you do?
We went up and then back down.
Okay. And every time you counted one, what did you do with the hamburgers?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Dana's doing it too. What are they doing as they count each hamburger? To make
Pointing
sure
it over.
they're pointing at it to make sure and
This
tapping
one's
it.
1.
Right. So we've got those different ones. We found out that
1,
this
4,
one.
and then 3.
How many is this one again?
5.
Five. How do you know there's 5 there, Dana?
Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Excellent. Thank you. Now, who else can look at this pile of hamburgers and instead of Dana knew just by looking at it that it was 5. Now she happened to come up and she tapped each one just like Derek and Jordan did. But who else can look at this pile?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right. Who else can look at this pile though and tell me that there's 5? And maybe have figured it out a different way.
16.
Oh, yes. What did you figure out?
I actually counted like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Hold on a minute though. What are you trying to count there, Divya?
I was trying to count them by ones, but maybe.
Okay, wait, no, hold on. No, wait 1 second. She's trying to count. What are you counting them?
I was counting them like.
Counting what though?
The hamburgers.
Okay, and as she's counting them, she's tapping them. But watch carefully, because I think we might have made a mistake. So let's see if we can figure it out.
There's 9.
Okay, let's see how Divya does it. Divya, let's try and see.
Wow. This one's gonna go like this. 1,
Oh.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
14.
17, 15, 16, 17. Got all of them right.
Okay. Now, the important part though, and what I really liked about Divya, what did you choose that time to make sure that you had 17? What
I
did
put
you?
little dots to make sure, so I don't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and mix up, and then counting up like 1, 2, like 1, 2, 3, and then I miss one.
Now you told me, hold on, you told me there's 17, but because some friends started counting a little bit faster as we went.
The faster you go, the more you don't have control.
That's right. And you know what I'm wondering? I'm doing some math in my head, and I'm not so sure that 17 is the right answer.
So I'm gonna
We were
reset this.
close. We were so close. I'm not sure. You had it going really well, Divya. And then as you were counting it, what were some people doing as they were counting?
They were going a bit too fast while I was going a bit slow.
Right, so she wasn't making the marks at the same time. And that made it kind of hard. So, she's gone 17 a couple times, but I'm doing some adding in my head, and it's not working out for me. So I need someone else who thinks they could give it a try. Shyla, would you like to come up? Let's see if we can look at how Shyla counts it, and let's see if we can slow it down so that we count with
70.
Shyla. Ready?
1.
Oh, now she's going to circle it. Okay, so 1.
2.
Hold on. 2, 3, and
4.
4, and
5.
5, and 6. Okay, now stop for a minute. How many right here?
6.
Up. How many right here? How many? 6. Write down the number 6. Oh, now if your hand's there, it won't take there. There you go. Right.
18.
What number here? 6. Okay, hold on a minute. Let's see if we can do it. The number 6. Now, we're going to stop at 6. Make sure I'll have a seat for a minute. Now, there's 6 here. Now I'm going to stop. How many are over here?
3.
3. So, we start at 6 and count on 3. Let's see what we get.
That
7,
one
8.
9.
How many over here now?
9.
Okay. Now, we've got 9. Then we've got this lone hamburger on the top.
1.
1. So 9 and 1 more makes 10. Now that I have 10, how are these hamburgers here stacked?
11. 12.
Listen for a minute. How are the hamburgers stacked here?
In a rectangle.
They are, and they're kind of stacked in how many in a row?
2.
2. So it's almost like it would make it easier to count by what number?
9. 2.
2. So we know we have 10 up to here. So let's see how many we have here. We have 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have 10, and then we have 8 more.
So we have 8 altogether.
Oh, we have 10 and we have 8 more. So let's see. 10, 11,
12.
13,
14.
15, 16, 17.
18. 19.
Look.
17.
Stop. Let's watch. If we just count randomly, are we getting the right answer? No. So we knew it was 10 to here. Let's see if we can count on 8 more. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
That's 18.
How many hamburgers?
18. Altogether.
18. Right. It makes so much more sense when we slow it
So what about
down. Okay. Now, we put the 6 with the 3, and that gave us 9. And then we added 1 more, which made 10. And then we counted on the 8. Then we counted on the 8, which made 18. We've put them all together. We did it lots of different ways, but we got 18.
That's 5.
We got 18. What's 1 is 5?
This one's 5. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're right. That one is 5. But when we add 1 more to 5, what do we get?
6.
Now, did you see where it went? Okay. So we're done counting. What other math do you see in this picture? Anyone else spy some math in this picture?
Yeah.
Cody, what math do you see?
In number 5.
Oh, right up in the corner. Wonder what that number 5 is telling the chef.
There's 5 hamburgers.
I wonder what the number 5 is telling the chef. Sarah?
That you could only make 5 hamburgers on the stove at once.
Okay, so hold on a minute. If they want the 5 hamburgers, which stack of hamburgers would they go and get? Which stack?
5 hamburgers.
Right.
This one.
How do you know?
Because this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Has the 5 hamburgers. Excellent. Who else sees some math in this picture in our kitchen? Who else spies some math? So we counted, we found the number 5. Who else sees some math? Natalia, what math do you see? Something that makes you think math.
Attention, all students going on the Youth Create trip at 2 o'clock. Please come down to the office now. That's the Youth Create students that are going on the trip to McMaster University. Please come at 2 o'clock. Please come right now to the office.
Do you want to thank
And
someone?
custodians to the office.
Okay.
Thank you.
Who sees something else that reminds them of math in this picture? Yes.
I can see the thing. If he makes 5,
Yeah.
and if this is 5,
Yes.
the chef will give it to the guy who ordered 5.
Okay, so hold on a minute.
And
I want you to think about this. Cross off that one with the 5. Perfect. Put that back. So, if we're taking those 5 away because somebody's ordered them, Cody, then how many hamburgers do we have left? Hold on a minute. Sit down. I want someone else to figure this out. If we started with our 18 burgers altogether. We took those 5 away because someone ordered them.
13.
How many do we have left? Ricardo, what are you going to do?
count.
Okay.
You erase all this.
Okay. Why are you erasing it?
Hey, don't make mine.
Why are you erasing it, Ricardo?
So it'd be easier to count them.
Got it.
I'll
Okay.
say 13.
Now, Sarah, we're going to keep all our ideas in our head right now. It's good that we have some ideas. We just don't want to make Ricardo get confused. Because we found out when we were counting
Should I erase
before.
that?
Well, no, because we want to make sure that this one's gone. So if you want to erase this one, you can.
You can erase the number 2.
Okay. So, perfect. Ricardo, you want to put it there? And let's see. Ready? Let's see how he does it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Is there a no counting?
9. Hold on. Now stop for a minute. Remember what? Hold on a minute, Ricardo. Remember what people said before? If you count too fast, Divya, what happened?
You lose track.
Okay, no, I don't want you to see right now. I'm going to get Dana to sit down so that everyone else can see behind her. Thank you. So, there's 9 so far. Let's see if we can count on from 9 nicely together. 10, 11, 12, and we have this.
13.
So how many are left?
13.
So, even in a kitchen, even with the chef who's just making burgers, you can still be doing a lot of